At General Motors, we're all about putting our customers first and at the center of everything we do. If we can take a mile per gallon of fuel economy off, if we can extend our range 10 miles in an electric vehicle, that can be a huge competitive advantage for General Motors. As you start looking into the future, generative design paired with additive manufacturing can be completely disruptive to our industry to deliver those functionally optimized designs and deliver performance to our customers that they couldn't get any other way. We've been doing additive manufacturing at GM for over 30 years. Rapid prototyping, assembly tooling, jigs, fixtures. How do we take that next step? Getting people to think differently. Not migrate back to, well, we can't do it. Additive manufacturing can enable us to do this. We have some very unique design challenges in some of our upcoming vehicle programs. One of those was a seat bracket. That seat bracket is very important from a functional safety perspective. How can we fully functionally optimize that design for mass? We chose to use generative design as our design tool to come up with different options for the seat bracket. Normally when we face a design challenge like that, we may come up with 2 or 3 different design options, but with generative design, we could come up with over 150 some solutions that we just couldn't have thought of with any other existing design tools. We formed a partnership with Autodesk. We thought it was a unique opportunity to really use those tools to deliver a design that we couldn't come up with any other way. We've run it through our normal set of test procedures that are required for this part. This part is so much better than the previous part. 40% mass savings, at the same time getting 20% stronger, far exceeded my expectations of what we could achieve. We have many different parts and pieces on our vehicles, over 30,000 on average. So now the real challenge is to find all those different applications where we can apply the same principles of generative design to really optimize our vehicles further.